Hey everyone, this is Coach Lemon again, and I just wanted to welcome you to Bok Open House here at Bok Academy, but also welcome you to my PE class. So let's go ahead and get started. So, like I said, I will be teaching physical education for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade this year. Some of the expectations that I have for the class, and I really just wanted to keep it simple. One, of course, is to be on time. This is real important just because, we're trying to run a pretty tight schedule. We have a limited amount of time, and there are a good amount of kids in each one of the classes. So in order to give everybody an opportunity to actually participate in the activities that I want to do in class, I need to make sure that everybody shows up on time. Next would be ready to have fun. Really just come to class with the right attitude. Uh, I know things are weird and they're a little bit different, and you kind of want to come to physical education and breathe a little bit and have some fun. Now, granted, we're going to learn, but we're still going to have fun at the same time. So just be ready and come with the right mindset in order to do that. And like I was saying, also be ready to learn. Part of the physical education class is the education part of it. So there will be some teaching aspects to it. There will be more than just, we're going to go outside and play. I want you to, I want the kids to learn about themselves, how to take care of themselves, and learn about the history of some of the sports that they like to play. I mean, in order to know where we're going, we have to know where we came from. So, for my parents, the top three tips that I have for you guys, very, very simple. One, please check for class updates. Now, I'll post updates pretty regularly, especially when it comes to for my online kids. But if anything changes as far as something's going to get readjusted in the class, I will post an update. So really just please be on the lookout for those. Next would be I would actually tell you to pack extra clothes for your kids. Um, it is hot outside still, so there is a lot of sweating involved. So the best thing I could tell you to do is maybe pack an extra shirt. That way, when they come to PE, they can change out. They don't have to mess up their nice box shirt while they're outside running around. Or, if we happen to get on the grass, if it doesn't rain, and they fall down, get a little dirt stain, I'd much rather them have that on a shirt that they're going to take right off as soon as they leave class, instead of that shirt that they're going to wear around the rest of the day. Also, if you can, pack some deodorant. Again, with the heat, a lot of sweat involved, and it's just you want to try and stay as clean as you possibly can after you leave PE. And my last tip would be to actually study with them. I want them to comprehend the material, but I know sometimes there are certain things that might go over their head a tad bit. So just be there with them in order to kind of help them out and guide them. I always put up a video to go along with the lesson that we go over that day. So there'll always be a chance for you guys to go ahead and review everything that we went over. The videos will always be right in line with the same exact keynotes that I put up during class. So what you would see at home is the same thing that they saw in the classroom. And for my at-home learners, I really want you guys to stay in touch. Send me a Schoology message every now and then just to let me know that things are going well as far as your assignments. Like, I see the assignments when you turn them in, but just send me a message, to let me know that things are still going well if they are, and if they aren't, reach out to me. I'd hate to get a message at the end of the week on a Sunday, and I'm just hearing from you for the first time and trying to help you with something right before a deadline. Like, if you have an issue, go ahead and send me that message. If it's a Wednesday, send me that message then. We can jump on it right there. The other part of that, ask questions. Yeah, so if you're unsure about something, do not be afraid to ask me a question. I'm here to help. That is my job. So just go ahead, ask that question. I'll be more than happy to help you. And the last part is please log in for the days that we are able to Zoom. I know it's a little bit harder with PE because we are outside a good bit. So the days that we are able to have Zoom sessions, please log in. Just need to see your face for a second if it's that long. But just log in that way. Again, it's my way of checking in and making sure that you guys are doing good, but also you checking in with me to make sure that you're doing okay. And just so that way, if there are any questions, it's way easier to answer them than to get backlogged with too many questions at the end of the week. Now, last but not least, how to contact me. So the easiest way to contact me is going to be either one through email, and my email is my first dot last name at lwcharterschools.com. Get plenty of emails, but this works just fine if you want to go ahead and contact me that way. The quickest way to probably reach me, though, that I'll be able to respond to the fastest is going to be on Schoology messages. 9 times out of 10, I'm on Schoology. I'm constantly checking the messages on there or checking the updates, especially when kids are turning in assignments. So I will usually see that message first before I see the email. So please, again, if parents as well, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me through one of these two methods. I will definitely get back to you within 24 hours. I know sometimes 24 hours seems like a very long time when you have certain questions, but trust and believe that I see your messages. I'm trying to work back to you. Other than that, I'm looking forward to a great year, and I can't wait to continue to keep things rolling and get further into this physical education class with your students. Thank you.